Good morning, everyone. So, for today's lecture, we are going to see the difference between Arduino and Raspberry Pi. So, these are the two embedded platforms which we have studied further. So, let us take a difference between the two. So, the very first characteristic of differentiation is definition. So, when I talk about Arduino, it is a microcontroller motherboard, and microcontroller is a simple computer that can run one program at a time. Next, we have Raspberry Pi. It is a general purpose computer which usually has a Linux operating system, and it has an ability to run multiple programs. So the differentiating point here is Arduino runs only one program at a time, whereas Raspberry Pi runs multiple programs at a time. Next, we have CPU speed. So when we talk about CPU speed with respect to Arduino, it is 84 megahertz. When I talk about CPU speed with respect to Raspberry Pi, it is 700 megahertz. Next characteristic is RAM. So the RAM of Arduino is 96 KB and RAM of Raspberry Pi is 512 MB. Next is inbuilt storage. So when I talk about inbuilt storage of Arduino, it doesn't have its inbuilt storage, but it has an SD card which has 4 GB plus storage size. When I talk about Raspberry Pi, it has 512 KB. Next, we have battery pack. So in Arduino, you can power using a battery pack, but in Raspberry Pi, it is difficult to power using a battery pack. Next characteristic is usability. So in Arduino, it is very simple to interface your sensors and other electronic components. Wherein if I talk about Raspberry Pi, it is a bit complex because here you have to install different libraries and the softwares whenever you want to interface your sensors and other components. Next characteristic is pricing. So Arduino is available at low cost, whereas Raspberry Pi is expensive. Next characteristic is internet connection. So Arduino requires an external hardware to connect to the internet, and this hardware needs to be addressed properly using a code. Wherein if I talk about Raspberry Pi, it is very easy to connect to the internet because it has Ethernet ports, USB ports, and Wi-Fi dongles. Next characteristic is onboard storage. So Arduino has its own onboard storage. Raspberry doesn't have its own onboard storage. It rather provides a SD card port. Next characteristic is USB ports. So Arduino has only one USB port that connects to the computer. If I talk about USB port in Raspberry Pi, we have 4 USB ports that can connect to different devices. Next characteristic is processor. Arduino uses processor which belongs to AVR family. Raspberry Pi uses the processor which belongs to ARM family. Next characteristic, terminate and shut down. So when we talk about Arduino, it is just like plug and play device. So if power is connected, it starts running the program, and if it disconnects, it simply stops. Raspberry Pi, terminate and shut down is something which has to be properly addressed. Otherwise, there is a risk of your file corruption and your software problems. Last, programming language. So Arduino uses programming language like C, C++. Raspberry Pi uses Python, but it has already C, C++ pre-installed. I want to add few points as well. So the operating system which is used in Arduino is Dune operating system, and this is a real-time operating system which is of type multi-threading. So you can say that Arduino doesn't has its own operating system, but it uses real-time operating system, that is Dune operating system, which is compatible with almost all the Arduino boards or kits. Raspberry Pi has its own operating system, which is called as Raspbian OS. So using that, it performs the task. So this was the difference between your Arduino and Raspberry Pi. That's it for the day. Thank you, everyone.